Hello, what's up, girl? Okay, so today I am going to be trying out some new hair extensions. It's that time. Like, it has just been so long since I've had any new hair extensions. My old ones have been clinging to dear life for the past few years. Today, we are going to be trying out Irresistible Me hair extensions. I'm going to see if these are any good. I hope so. I'm praying, please, because I really need a set of extensions. They come in this little bag. Very cute packaging. They have a lot of color selection on the website. Not like an exorbitant amount, but the basics, like the best, most common hair colors are found there on the website. Highlights that run through 6 inches down from the root. A bit warmer toned than my hair. For some reason, I can literally put like anything in my hair because it has so many different colors mixed into it. Most hair extensions between brown and blonde tend to blend pretty decently. I have heated up my curling iron. They gave you some extra clips. Ooh, these are nice. Okay, so they are double wefted. It's like 2 wefts sewn together onto 1 strip. Tripled, you guys. I'm so sorry. Actually, 3 rows. That's why this one has the netting in the back. The rest of these are doubled. This is what I do. So I take my hair down in sections, and then on a day like today, I'm not doing like a full Shirley Temple curl. I'm just gonna give it a little wave, and it looks a little bit more intentional. I want it to blend in with those extensions we just got. Let's just chit chat for a hot second. Life has been nutty. I don't know what's going on, but I have just been like surrounded by literally by death. Like I'm not even kidding. Like people in my family have passed away in this past couple of months. One of my girlfriends just passed away. We weren't very close, but it was definitely a shock. She was only 31. Just went hiking one day and never came back. Like they don't really know what happened. I think she either got heat exhaustion or was lured off the trail. Guys, I don't know. It's crazy to me because it really reminds me that life is so precious. You know, whenever you have anxiety about things, stems from fear for the future, right? And I get anxiety about this too because I'm like, how am I going to support myself? What's my next step? And what am I going to be doing with my life? It causes me a lot of anxiety, especially as an overachiever and as a perfectionist. Having fear of the future, giving yourself the assumption that you even have a future. Like, what if we don't? My girlfriend who just passed away, she used to be concerned for the future too, but guys, she didn't have a future. She literally passed away before that future that she was worried about happened. My point is that we're all sitting here worried about some future that might not ever come. I know that sounds kind of morbid, but it's also beautiful because we have to be living in the present moment. We have to be here because the only moment we have is this moment, this one. Like literally this one. It's all an illusion anyway. We have to just enjoy this moment that we have because it's the only moment that exists. I've wasted like a lot of time worried about what's gonna happen and what my next move should be, hustling enough, blah blah blah, and it's so fucking stupid because none of it even matters. Do you really think that my girlfriend was worried about what her next step in life should have been or if she was making enough money when she passed away? Yeah, I don't think so. Reminding me to slow down, enjoy every moment, and think about it for a second. So everyone is like on this manifesting. That's fantastic. I love that. Learning about manifestations is the first step, the journey to self-discovery and spirituality. So I am all here for it. But just ask yourself a question. What exactly is the purpose of you wanting to manifest these things? Love, money, job, career, I mean, whatever. We all want the same shit. You know what I mean? We all want to feel safe and secure financially. We all want someone to love and to love us. Everybody's goals and manifestations, they vary, but they all kind of like fall into a similar categories. Why do you want those manifestations? Like, think about it for a second. Like, what is the purpose of these manifestations? And you might tell yourself, because it would make me feel good, or I will feel accomplished. I want to feel safe. I want to take care of my family financially or something like that. And then you have to ask yourself again, like, well, why do you want that? It all boils down to you want to feel happy. You want to feel good. You want to be happy. You want the manifestations so that you can feel happy, safe, and secure. But what if you could feel those things without needing the manifestation? Would you even need the manifestation if you could feel those things first? Then the manifestations don't matter, because you already have the feeling and the emotion, the end result that you wanted the manifestation to give you. And then ironically, the way the universe works, once you feel it, it's gonna give it to you anyway as like a byproduct. but you have to feel it first. But you can't be trying to feel it because you want to get the result of the manifestation. You have to want the feeling that the manifestation is going to give you. So just ruminate on that for a second. Like, why do I even want these things that I think I want? It's always because you want to feel good. So focus on the feeling good part. Manifestation will happen anyhow. I just had a realization the other day when I came out of a meditation, and I remember in the dream I was thinking, oh my God, it's not the manifestation that's the fun part. It's the wanting the manifestation and getting the creation of the manifestation in your mind that's the fun part. That's where all the juice is in the creation, in the thinking of it, in the daydreaming about it, in the process of receiving it. That's where the fun is. Once you get it, it's kind of like not even fun anymore. I remember when I needed a new car and I was shopping around all these different car places. You can get to a place where you're like annoyed because you don't have a car, or you can be excited because you're shopping and you're looking at all of the different options of the cars. And I was super excited. I was just like, oh my gosh, I could get this car. I could get this car. Like, this is so much fun. I don't know which one to get. That's where all of the juice was in the shopping for the car, the excitement of the search. And if you can hold on to it and just be excited for the search, you don't even really need the thing that you're searching for. I love my car, don't get me wrong, but it was so much more thrilling to be looking for a car than it is to actually after you bought it and it's sitting in your parking space. So I like to start with the small pieces on the bottom and work my way up. One of these little 2 clips. Clip in and you're gonna roll it around in little circles. We're gonna cut smaller row just above that. Sometimes the clips don't lay that flat, but when it's underneath your hair, it's not that big of a deal. 2 clip right above that one, circles till it catches. Okay. And what you can also do is put some hairspray on the clip. It'll help it stick into your hair even better. We're gonna go right above it, pull the hair up out of the way, and now we're gonna start on this side. Single right next to it, right in the back, dead center. And then we're gonna do another 2 clip on this side, right next to where that was. Pull it up to right above my ear. Oh, this is so long and pretty. I'm gonna do the longest track, starting in the middle. I'm gonna do the 2 clips in the center. And now there's more space to come more towards the front. This one's 3. Right above that one. I'm excited for this. Okay, now the other 3. And I do most of this just by feeling it, honestly. Okay. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay. Boop. It's going all which ways kind of crazy, and I'm not like loving that, so I am going to curl it. Blends in better. Let's start curling this. So I don't think this is going to hold a curl exceptionally well through the night. It'll probably fall out at the exact same rate as my own hair, which I like because I don't want the hair extensions to be like really curly and then it's not blending with my hair. I want it to fall out of the curls at the same speed that my hair falls out of the curls. I just wanted to say thank you guys sending me all the well wishes for Lily's passing. Those of you who don't know, Lily is my 16-year-old Maltese dog that I have had for the duration of her entire life. She passed away recently and I did make a whole video about it. Thank you guys for commenting. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for watching the little memorial video that I did of her. I just miss her so much. I still cry for her every single day. It's part of the grieving process. Just trying to appreciate the life that we had together. What else can you do? I mean, really, you're going through a grieving process right now. I'm here with you, girl. Like, seriously, this shit is not easy. And when I go through things emotionally, I disappear from the internet. I literally ghost. I've been gone because I just like to deal with my shit like on my own. I don't like having to explain myself. I feel really weird and awkward putting up emotional posts because I always just want people to feel good when they come to my page, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna drag them down with this like fucking serious ass post. But I know that you guys need to see it sometimes because you need to know that I'm a real person too. Like, I'm not just a fun YouTuber that does fashion videos and hair tutorials and whatever. Like, I'm going through real life situations over here as well, because for 13 years I've been in survival mode, dealing with a lot of stuff behind the scenes. And then when I was in Party Rock, we weren't allowed to be upset. It was known in the crew, like, you cannot be negative. No crying, yelling, upsetness, whatever. I shoved all my emotions down. Okay, now look at the difference between this side and this side. Ooh, it feels so good too. Ooh, let's put it in a big ol', oh, that's so pretty. To sum up, it was kind of like during that time I was going through horrible breakup, a 7-year relationship. I had to move out. I had nowhere to go. I had to move in with Panda. Then I booked that tour with Red Foo. We weren't allowed to be negative, so I had to just stuff it all down, what I was going through, keep going. I didn't tell anybody what I was going through in the crew. Actually, they didn't know until much later. The whole vibe of LMFAO was like, like, like crazy, we're partiers. Like, that was the brand. We're part of the brand. We were an extension as the Party Rock crew. So I couldn't show up to a show appearance at a club and not be in a great mood and be ready to party. The job was partying. Yeah, dancing too, obviously, for our 90-minute concerts and stuff. But we had to be the brand. And I'm a great actress, so when it's time to go, oh, I'm on, baby. Like, I don't need to be told twice. Like, what do you need from me? You need me to act like I'm like in the best mood of my life and I'm having the time of my life? I got you. The problem with that is it's kind of like, it's almost like toxic positivity where you're not allowed to express yourself. And I didn't know anything about spirituality and emotions back then. I was super out of touch. Now, 10 years later from that whole cycle, I feel like is ending now. All these old feelings that I never dealt with are coming back up. Ooh, bitch. That's fun. It's fun realizations. It's a part of being a human. It's a part of our evolution of consciousness. You gotta feel the things you need to feel and you gotta get it out of your body. What I didn't know back then is that if you don't release your emotions through whether it's therapy, singing, dancing, somatic release, laughter, whatever it is, you have to get the energy of trauma out of your body because your body stores it in you. And it stores it in different ways. Like, some people will have a hard time losing weight or have injuries keep reoccurring or stomach issues or whatever. Like, it always manifests in some physical way and you have to release the energy. First of all, you have to be conscious of it. Okay, so you have to become aware of it. That's the first thing. Once you're aware of it, you have to let it out. Crying, laughing, screaming, movement, or all of the above, combination of all of these things, talking it out. I honestly have felt so much clearer since allowing myself to scream. So if you take one thing away from this video, besides beautiful hair extensions and how to curl your hair, scream into your pillow when you need a release. You will be shocked at how amazing it feels to do this and how much your body needs it. And just watch how your life changes through regular release of energy. Also, guys, you got to start meditating every day. I'm serious. I'm not kidding. It has to be done. Meditation is the only way to relieve anxiety and stress. All those medications that they're prescribing to people are doing the same effect of what meditation can do for you. With just 30 minutes to an hour a day of meditation can have dramatic effects on your life. Try it. What do you have to lose? It's free. Worst you can lose out on is 30 minutes to an hour of your time every day. I find the easiest way to do it is to just wake up, do a meditation immediately. Like, I sit up in bed. I don't even leave the bed yet. I think I'll go to the bathroom first. Do a meditation and then I will go get my coffee and feed the dogs and or feed the dog. I only have one dog now. God, that's sad. Okay, but that's the easiest way to implement it into your life because a lot of us have really, really busy lives. So just wake up 30 minutes earlier, sit up in bed, do a quick 30-minute meditation. And it's going to be hard at first. When you do it at first, you're going to be like, holy shit, my brain is going off in a million different directions. It's okay. Everybody's does this. You're not special. We are all overthinkers. This is just the ego. It's like going to the gym. You have to start training your mind the same way that you train your body to be strong. And you just have to keep pulling your awareness and your energy back to center. Brush it out with my fingers. Pleasantly surprised. So thick, thicker than a sneaker. See. How's it looking? The hair looks amazing. I am very pleased. Even the color match situation, even though it's not like 100% there because my hair is just a little bit too cool toned, it still blends really nicely. Like, I am definitely not mad at it at all. The hair quality feels really nice of it. It's silky, it's soft, it's pretty. I'm not sure how long these are going to last. It pretty much depends on how you take care of your hair extensions. Make sure that you are spraying heat protectant over the extensions before every time you curl them. I like to wash my hair extensions every like 4 times I wear them, something like that. You obviously don't want them to smell bad, so make sure that you do wash them. So pretty, so nice. The thickness is really good. I would definitely recommend the thicker ones. These are the 24 inches high density volume ones in the rooted beige color. Also wanted to show you guys that at the bottom of the hair extensions, when you open it up, I didn't realize this, but I opened it and I was like, oh, there's hair on the bottom, so that you can test it out with the one strand first. If you don't like the way that it looks with your hair, you can send it back and get a different color. So fun to just chit chat and have like a little girls' day. I'll put the link in the description box to these hair extensions. There is a discount code for you guys. Take advantage of that for sure and enjoy your hair extensions. I am so happy with these. I'm thrilled. Thank you, Irresistible Me. I'll see you guys in my next video really soon. Bye.